Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we will continue the topic called measure of dispersion in machine learning part number 2. The previous session we explained about the range and everything. Let's continue today. So mean deviation. So what range as measure of dispersion only depends on the highest and the lowest one in the data as of Here mean deviation what means it always measure the deviation of the observation from the mean of the distribution. Let's see the data here. Consider data 5, 10, minus 5, comma 10, comma 25. That is a mixture of positive and negative numbers. The mean of the data is what 10 only here. So deviation from the mean difference is what minus 5 to minus 10, 10 to minus 10. 25 to minus that is minus 15 comma 0 comma 15 if you resolve everything here. Here mean deviation we can use a formula called that is x1 minus meta plus x2 minus meta plus and so on xn minus meta by n here. Then mean deviation from the mean for our ungrouped data. So ungrouped data is nothing but data which not be in any order. It may in any order. For this one there will be procedure, that is what means calculate the step number 1, calculate the arithmetic mean for all the values of the data set, and step number 2, calculate the difference between each value of the data set and the mean, and the only absolute value of the difference will be considered as D. Then that with the barcode. Then uh, calculate the arithmetic mean of the deviations. Let's go for the example. We will get a clarity. Let's assume that the we can question number 1 given here. Calculate the mean deviation for the given ungrouped data. So the group data like is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we can it's come with the formula as we seen here. So we can go for this formula. So if you apply the formula, you can go for mean here 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 5. At last we will get the mean value is 6 here. Then mean deviation you can go for sigma pi symbol in underscore pi d by n. So you can, if you for this formula, you can extend with the formula like 2 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 plus 8 minus 6 plus 10 minus 6 by 5. So if you short out, what will happen? 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 5 coming. At last you will get the answer of 2.4. So simple and easy when you go for calculate the mean deviation. Then mean deviation from the media for ungrouped data. So here also you can repeat the steps. So you can go for another like this. So there will be a short given here. So moreover here now some information. So mean deviation from the for mean for continuous frequency distribution only. Moreover, if you go for continuous mean distribution, the formula is applicable here. So we need some steps like this. What means calculate the step number 1, calculate the arithmetic mean for all the values of the data set, and step number 2, calculate the difference between the middle value of the class interval and the mean. And step number 3, multiply D with their corresponding group frequencies. And step number 4, calculate the arithmetic mean for these variations. That is mean deviation is called sigma f of t by n. So this is removable for finding the continuous frequency distribution. So let's have the example here. Look at the example here. Calculate the mean value for the given data. That let's assume that the class interval is like 0 to 10, the frequency with a frequency of 7. Similarly, class interval 10 to 20 having frequency of 1, and 20 to 30 frequency of 3, and class 30 to 40 of 0. Now go for the formula and applicable. When applicable, you get the answer like this. So here, the mean lines in the interval between 0 to 10. So here, MD is called sigma of D by N. So you can go formula 7 of 5 minus 5 plus 1 of 15 minus 5 plus 3 of 25 minus 5 plus 0 of 35 minus 5, 15 by 10. At last, on short root, we will get 10 plus 0 plus 30 by 10. That is, at last, 40 by 10 is equal to 4. So where we are applying the, so let's say 5 is the median. Okay, we are assuming that. So for calculating this one, at last, we'll get the answer of median deviation is called 4. This is about the measure of dispersion part number 2. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with the friends. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.